बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सुबह सिंध से मुतल्लिका एक नई वीडियो जिसमें सुबह सिंध से मुतल्लिक जनरल नॉलेज मुहैया किया गया है के साथ मैं आपकी खिदमत में मोहम्मद इलियास हाज़िर हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, मारवी इज़ अ फोक स्टोरी ऑफ डैश आंस सिंध। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, केटी बंदर इज़ अ डैश आंस कोस्टल एरिया। Question number 3, Ghulam Muhammad Bairaj is also called dash ans Kotri Barrage. Question number 4, Manjo Dado means dash ans Mound of the Dead. Question number 5, University of the Karachi is located in dash ans Karachi. Question number 6, how many barrages are there in Sindh? Answer 3. Question number 7, the third desert is called dash Answer Friendly Desert. Question number 8, the largest natural freshwater lake in the subcontinent is dash Answer Ginger Lake. Question number 9, the superhighway starts from Hyderabad and ends at dash ans Karachi. Question number 10, who was King Umar? Ans first king of the Sumar Denas. Question number 11, the shrine of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar is situated in dash ans 7 Sharif. Question number 12, Lal Shahbaz Qalandar wrote several books in Persian and dash ans Arabic. Question number 13, the Sindh Provincial Museum is located in dash ans Jamshoro. Question number 14, the shrine of Lal Shah Abdul Latif Bhattai is located in dash ans Bhet Shah. Question number 15, the hottest place in Pakistan is dash ans Jacobabad. Question number 16, rally means dash ans bedspreads. Question number 17, Manjo Dado is located at the west bank of the Indus in dash ans Upper Sindh. Question number 18, Manjo Dado is a 4,000-year-old city of the dash ans Indus civilization. Question number 19, Shah Jahan Mosque is located in dash ans Thatta. Question number 20, Manchar Lake is situated near dash ans Thatta. Question number 21, the largest fort of Pakistan is dash ans Ranikot. Question number 22 and last question, which is the world's largest graveyard? Ans Makli Graveyard.